In today's segment of Real Gear, we are going to be giving our multimatic 220 AC/DC an upgrade. The multimatic comes with the A150 TIG torch, which is basically a number 17 size head. It works great, but for some applications I would like to have a little smaller one. So we are going to install a Modular Tig Torch Kit from Miller. It's the AK150 MFC, and it gives you 28 different torch configurations of different sizes, and it's super easy to install. What makes this kit modular is that it has a number of different size heads that you can put on your TIG torch. There's even a flex adapter to give you more versatility. It only takes 2 7/16 wrenches to install this kit. First, take your torch and pull the handle back. Take your 2 7/16 wrenches and remove the existing torch head. And also remove the handle. Install the handle that comes in the kit and the torch body adapter. You're going to tighten the handle back on the torch body adapter. And now you can install the interchangeable head adapter, either the solid one or the flex head. I'm going to use the solid one for now. Okay. It just screws onto the torch body adapter, locks into place. Once you attach the interchangeable head adapter to your torch, now you can select one of the torch heads that best fits your application. One of my favorites is the 70-degree number 9 size head. It's much lighter and less bulky than the original A150 head. So you can see the difference between these two heads. It's much easier to get into some of those tighter areas as well. Another head that you'll like is the straight head. I use this head when I'm trying to get into tighter areas as well, especially when I can't get at it from the front. If I need to get my filler metal in from behind the torch, sometimes this is a much better application. I can go straight into that area and then come from the backside with the filler metal. Now, if you need to get into much tighter areas where the back cap of the TIG torch is restricting your access to the weld point, there's some heads that are flush mounted. This will give you easier access to those tighter areas. With the flex adapter on, you can tackle just about any welding position. Once you start using your modular torch kit, you might find that you're going to have an application where you want to switch heads multiple times. I actually use a number of the 70-degree heads, and I have them set up for different configurations. I'll have one set up with a gas lens, one set up without a gas lens. I have them set up for even different size tungstens because it's easier to change just the head than it is to change your collet body, and tungsten. So you can purchase these separately. For more information on the Modular Tig Torch Kit, go to millerwelds.com. In the search bar, type in AK-150 MFC or stop by your local welding distributor.